So, Merry Christmas, everyone, and I hope we get a nice Christmas day like this. And go back to air conditioners. Then the oxygen, the air conditioning today. Yeah, it's actually good. I hope you guys enjoy the Christmas day. And then here we got air conditioning. I'm not sure what the day is. Probably. I think it's like 2014 though. It's getting like warm or cool. The temperature is hot. It doesn't. This temperature. And here we got Pro. That just turned off. That was big running. Yeah, the compressor soundboard. Compressor bar. Then here we got this. And the lights are turning off. And this screen is not yeah, it has like a compressor though. It's like 66 degrees there. Like 1990s or like 2000. It has been. Pretty cool. Nowhere. The Gentex fan. Yeah. It says heat serve. Pretty cool. I don't know where. Okay. So we got all the two of these. Yeah. Then like Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope you got a great Christmas day. So, thanks. Over now.